Oh, hi there. Don't worry, it's just me, Nicky Spence. And here we are on the HMS Enterprise in Cardiff, the home of WNO. And I'm playing Peter Grimes in the opera by Benjamin Britten, Peter Grimes. And I thought it would be a great idea to come out here on the open water and feel what it's like to have the sea spray in my hair and smell the spume, I think they call it. And so far, we're having a lovely day. Oh, this is such a tragic tale. So Peter Grimes becomes quite ostracized by the community because he does not have good luck with apprentices. His first one died while they were at sea, and then the second one comes to quite a sticky end as well. And slowly the whole community turn against him, and there's a lot of suspicion about what actually happens to these young boys. And it's really just a great vignette into what very inward-looking, close-knitted communities can be like. My bonny lies over the ocean, my bonny lies over the sea. It is the perfectly written opera, and it has got such lyricism, such heroism at points, such vulnerability. It really kind of straddles all the different types of singing you could ever want to do as a British tenor. And of course, every incredible bloody British tenor has ever sung it. So I've got all of these voices ringing in my ears, which is helpful, but also unhelpful, because you think, well, I'll never be as good as them. So, but you give it a good go. So I'm here with crew member Alex, and he's going to teach me how to do a proper rope, because I'm going very method on this show, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, through here.
Then you want to go around the back of that, so you want to come through there and around the back.
You're very good at this, Alex. Have you done this before?
We have a few times, yeah.
You should work on Blue Peter or something. Right.
And then you want to come around and then back through the hole.
And then back through.
That's it, yeah. And then you pull this tight.
This one or this one?
This end, yeah.
Okay.
Pull that tight. And that's your bowling knot.
I think the most challenging part of playing Peter Grimes is allowing him not just to be one thing. So I've really tried to look into what makes this guy tick. How was he looked after when he was a child? So really getting into all of these different nooks and crannies and hopefully find a very rounded character, so you can't just say that he's one thing.
Left a bit.
Left a bit, oh. Is now the time to tell you that I'm really bad at parking.
Well, you won't be parking.
My spatial awareness is not the best. Reasons people should come and see Peter Grimes. Incredible story. Probably the best British opera written within our lifetime. Full orchestra, full chorus, wonderful costumes, a story you can really relate to. And my beard, ladies and gentlemen, has been grown within an inch of its life. It smells good, which I think is important, and people should come for that at least. I've learned how to tie some ropes, I've driven this mighty beast, and now I'm ready to conquer Peter Grimes. See you there.